Question of the day time. Where do I get gravel to build my driveways here in Linden, Tennessee? So this is more of a geographical specific question, but I'm going to go ahead and answer it anyway. Here in Tennessee, what we build the driveways and stuff out of is chert. Chert is what you see here behind me. It's a hard quartz type of material that packs down as hard as cement. So the best place to get it here locally, and again this is a geographical answer, is right at the entrance of the subdivision. There's a big chert pit right there on old Hornwald Road, Ridge Road, old Highway 20, whatever it's called. And the Pevahouses own that. So the dad owns the chert pit, and he's got a little thrift store next door, and then his son has an excavating business that Jeremy Pevahouse, and I'll link his contact information down below in the description. But he will, load up dump trucks of chert and bring them out on site and dump them wherever you want them to be. So that's what I would recommend. There's also other sources in the area. I'm not going to go through all those, but I'm recommending the Pevahouses because they're very local, like right at the edge of the subdivision. So you're not going to have, a lot of transportation costs having that, that chert delivered to your property. If you, my wonderful subscribers, have a question you'd like me to answer, just email me at questions@lindencamp.com. I will pick the best ones and answer them in a video format. If they're simpler questions, I may just respond to your email. If it's a video that I think will benefit other owners that are developing an RV park, I'll make a video and put it in my playlist, which is linked above here, of all the questions of the day. Like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next question of the day.